So welcome everyone. We are here to talk about an innovative project. Once again, the name is Kojo, Blockchain Kojo. I'd like to welcome each and every guest on here and my co-host while we talk about an innovative project that combines Telegram and cryptocurrency, right? It combines Telegram and cryptocurrency. So I believe this alone is a unique feature. So which um, token are we going to be using? We'll talk about the Ton cryptocurrency and as well the Ton blockchain, right? So the Ton blockchain is a very massive project developed by the foundation of Telegram who built their own blockchain, decentralized and open internet created by the community using a technology designed by Telegram, as you can see, right? So this is huge for this project that we are looking at right here, Ton and everything that comes with it. So they have wallets, they have SocialFi, Web3. It's number 14 in all of the crypto world with 7 billion market cap, right? Over $46 million per day in transaction volume. So the token we are using is not something that is not easily tradable, right? You can buy and trade everywhere, cross-chain, accept payments, right? They have so many use cases, domains and everything, right? So now let's dive into the charts really quick, right? So you can find it on multiple exchanges for those who'll be looking to buy after hearing what we're here to talk about. And when you look at the all-time chart, you can see that it went to a high of maybe probably almost $5, right? In a very short span of time, went around when it had launched, right? Which was somewhere late 2022. Now it's currently at 2.1. Where do you think this is going during the bull run? Many predict this will do either a 2 to 5x or a 5 to 10x, putting it from $10 all the way to $20 or from $5 all the way to $10. So you want to accumulate as much ton as possible. And how are we going to do that? We're going to start from a project that's very, partially new. I think it's been around not so long, but it combines literally the two aspects of having Telegram as a user-friendly application where many dApps, games, all these things have all been built into Telegram. So many bots, right? So many UIs of, being used inside of Telegram to create new experiences. So you look at the crypto market, it combines everything, right? Blockchain, staking, exchanges, farming, meme coins, launchpads. So this project we're going to talk about called Tone Booster, right, can literally build all of these applications, all these different services in crypto using the Telegram and the Tone blockchain. So that brings us to a whole new possibility. Over 125 million downloads of Telegram. That means there's a lot of people who are comfortable with using Telegram, especially when you find out that it can now be used for this project called Tone Booster. So what is Tone Booster? It is an app built inside a Telegram that allows you to accumulate Tone through community building. Very simple concept, right? So how does this work? You literally need a link, right? Somebody sends you a link, right? To click, you click it on, and it opens on Telegram, and then you would interact with the application, and then you would need a Ton wallet, right? There's, I think, maybe over 5 to 10 different Ton wallets. Most of us prefer to use Ton Keeper, and that's literally what you're going to use to save, store your crypto, and use to purchase your packages, right? So we're going to talk about a very simple concept, right? How for as little as $11 currently, 5 ton being about $11, right, all the way to $2,200. We're going to talk about how you can leverage, right, community building to get in to a project that is massive for 2024, that is creating more utility, right, within their dApp. We'll talk about their crypto education platforms. We'll talk about the meme coin possibility. We'll talk about all the different things, like even having a trading robot inside of the app, which is there's a lot on Telegram, which you're able to amass a lot of ton using this protocol, right? So it literally pays out 96% on any dollar that comes into the ecosystem. So think about it, right? Here, there's no extra money coming out of nowhere to fund the entire project. Any dollar that is put in will distribute 96% to the community, while 4% is left. 3% goes to the development team to develop other projects inside of this DApp, and 1% goes into paying royalties for those who actually get the higher packages, which we'll speak about, which is the rocket and the UFO, right? So you earn 5 levels deep, right? 5% all the way to 40%. We'll talk about that. And also those from 500 ton and above will get to earn royalty. So you have the first booster package, right? Ton booster package called the bike. Now, if you are walking in 2024, I believe you need to go back into 2023 because everyone is not even running. You have people now going into vehicles that is going to take them to exactly where they want to be financially, right? So you have the bike, you have the car, you have the train, you have the plane and the rocket, and the new one, the UFO. So what is this all about? It costs 5 ton to get the bike booster, right? You now will spend around $11, maybe $10 and a couple cents because it's currently at $2.10 a token, right? So you activate your bike package, and then you have the ability to withdraw 30% of whatever earnings you make from team building, right? Now we'll talk about how you earn from team building. But the car is 25 ton, right? Around like $50. You have a 40-60 split. 40, if you make $100, you can withdraw $40, $60 pays your uplines. Literally, this is a project that is built to incentivize and reward everyone who takes part of this campaign, right? Think about as getting NFTs in preparation for an airdrop of a big crypto project. But the project is willing to send back majority of those purchases back to the community to help incentivize them to even have more profits to get into every single application that is launched. This is literally what we are in right now. When you look at Train, 125 ton is a 50-50 split. Plane, 250 ton, and you take 60%. If you made $100, you keep 60, 40 goes to pay the rewards above you, right? Rocket is 70-30, UFO is 80-20, right? So now, how does this work? You get started, right? And one thing is timing and taking action in crypto is very vital. So you get started today, and you're going to activate your account by first binding it to your Telegram, your Tone Keeper wallet to your Telegram. Once you're done with that, right, you'll be able to purchase your package. Then you will get your invite link and you will go ahead and share it. Now, I'm going to give you a scenario here where if you're looking to, and this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but when you look at these numbers, if you're looking to earn at least maybe 10,000 to about $14,000 in the next 30 days alone, all with starting off with 5 ton, this is the breakdown you need to look at, right? So now let's say you're able to get started at this low entry price. Now, what is the value of this? You see, this opens up the door for a lot of people, first people that are new to crypto, who have no idea, but are willing to participate into something innovative, something attractive, and find your way into learning about cryptocurrency for as little as $11. Anyone from around the world, any color, any flavor, can literally get started today, right? At that cost. So you're talking about countries all over. You can imagine an entire network of people who will be willing to get involved in a project that can deliver such profitable results, right? So if you have 5 partners who decide to get on the bike package, on your first level, you earn 5%, right? So everyone puts in $11, right? That's five partners, $55. You would have earned 5% of all of those transactions. Now, on your second level, if your five partners duplicate, they all get their own five partners, right? $11. Come on, right? And they all get their five partners. It's 25 partners. You would earn 10% of whatever was put in. Let's go in. If they also share to five people at least, right? They have their five partners, you'll be at 125 people. On your third level, you earn 15%. So at that point, if they had put in $5 each, you're looking at around um wait, $11 each. You're looking at around 1,200, right? Probably at this point. And if you look at that 15%, you're gonna end up with 93.5 ton, right? Think about it. This is ton, right? This is ton. So now on your fourth level, if they all do the same thing, you have 625 partners, 25% of whatever came in, you would earn 25% of that. At this point, if they all did the $11 package, you would have earned 781 ton, right? So you continue on your fifth level, you earn 40% on any transaction that's coming in on your fifth level. Now, you would have 3,125 at that point if they all got their five. Why? Because it's only $11 on the minimum, right? Now, we're going to think bigger than this, but this is just to let you know how far you can grow your community in this incentive rewarding opportunity, right? So you have a total of 3,905 partners. Now, what is the kind of reward that you'll be looking at? This is over 7,138 ton. Now, when you take that amount, right, and you multiply it by two, which would be the price today, 2.1, you'd have over $14,000 in profit, right? Literally, just think about it. All everyone did was start with five. So now when everyone sees the guys that started already making these kind of returns, what are they going to do? They're going to make sure you're getting their five because they know with just five people at $11, you would eventually end up with having all these profits, which come instantly, by the way. Every transaction rewards every level instantly, right? So if you had $10,000 in sales on your fifth level, that would be $4,000. That's all instantly put into your wallet. And all you have to do is just click withdraw out of the dashboard right into your Tonekeeper wallet. It takes about 1 to 2 seconds, right? 25% on your fourth level, $10,000 in volume came in, 2,500. Same thing here, 1,500. So just think about everything that could happen. Now, all for that package. Now imagine your entire community came in with the 500 ton booster package, right? Now that's going to be around $1,100, 1,100. But what are the possibilities, right? So this opportunity can create a five-figure, six-figure, and seven-figure income for whoever decides to take part of this team building process, right? So for 500 ton, same way, first level to fifth level, it's 5, 10, 15, 25, and 40%, right? So with the same number of people as before, 3,905, if everyone brought in five, who came in at 1,100, how much would you have earned at the end? That would be 713,875 ton, right? Ton is worth around $2.10 right now. That's over $1.4 million. And this could be done in 30 days. It could be done in 60 days, literally, right? So when you understand the possibility of what's in front of us, we've been in this space, we've seen different things, but what stands out in any project that's able to grow and help people grow massive communities and help a ton of people is about three main factors, right? It has to be simple and well structured, right? Simple and well structured. At the same time, you have different entry points that allow people to come in with less risk. I'm talking about $11. Everybody grew their capital. went on to the next package. Just think about all the possibilities of multiple cycles of earning. I would, you could call them cycles because at any point in time, you can have new growth in your community. It doesn't stop, right? So that's what we are looking at in this project. They have so many different stages coming in on their roadmap, and I believe that the launch of the academy is next, and the possibility of their own token and all these other things. So once again, how do you get started? You need a Telegram. You're gonna get a link from your sponsor, right? But before, you need to install the Tone wallet, either Tone Keeper or all the different wallets that are out there for Tone, right? Then now the application, once you click on your sponsor's link, is going to ask you for your receiving wallet address. So you copy that from the Tone wallet. Do not use an exchange, right? Do not use any centralized exchange wallet. Only use your decentralized Tone wallet, right? Don't use Trust Wallet. Try to get the Tone wallets themselves. You just go to the App Store, type Tone wallet. There's multiple ones you can choose from. We all use Tone Keeper, right? So once you do that, you bind your wallet together. You have your Tone deposited in the wallet. Once you select the package from the Telegram that you want, you're going to receive a notification on Telegram with a destination address. And with that, you are now going to get started by sending your Tone to that wallet instantly. Once it clears, your project, your back office gets activated, then you will get your link and you can invite friends and join to earn unlimited Tone. Remember, this is not a passive income opportunity, but for the users that get the Rocket and the UFO package, there is an incentive where the profits made by the project, so it's sharing company profit. So basically that 4% that's still left from the 96%, right? 1% is put aside. It pays royalties to all users that have the 500 ton package, the Rocket or the UFO for 1,000 ton, right? So that's something that's unique to it. It just allows us a much bigger incentive for people who want to take much bigger risks to also build their teams for a much bigger reward, right? So, we talked about the growth of Ton. If Ton doubles in price, that earnings alone would have already just grown to over 3 million. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is something that is tremendous. This is a perfect time for us as a community to find something that works for everyone and utilize it. So without any delay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the floor for Mr. Ardell to say something briefly because I know when he heard about this project, he got, really excited and he understood the possibility of opening up multiple businesses in the islands and so many other countries. So, Mr. Ardell, if you're able to speak briefly, just say a few words based on what you've seen about this project and how user-friendly it is.
Hey, Kojo, thank you, man. Yes, I'll be brief. But had to come in here to hear what you had to say because the last thing you said just now is the key. The simplicity of this opportunity is what really got me excited because I know that this year, 2024, just in another couple months, actually, we're going to have the halving of Bitcoin. There are so many people who were trying to prepare for this from last year. We've had a lot of ROI projects. Some of them went, by the wayside. But here is an age-old strategy of accumulation. When I saw Bitcoin right around $500, I had 7 Bitcoin that I got. I accumulated them. I saw the value go up. But someone with a trading mind, I decided to sell some of them at about $1,000, not knowing the power of what Bitcoin was. Okay, that's an old story. We know that Bitcoin is going to surpass 100,000 again, probably get to 1 million. But guess what? Am I going to go and buy Bitcoin? No, I'm going to buy some really good coins that Bitcoin is going to pull up with it. And where else can you find something more solid than in the area of Telegram, an app that everyone across the entire world uses. So this tells me that for the few of us who know about this now, it may be a secret now, but when this secret gets out, guys, this thing is going to become viral. The coin is literally around $2. So even if you're going to put $1,000 in there, the best place to put it is through this program. So that now, as you speak to others and they get on board, you're now using the power of leveraging, not just leveraging in your local community, leveraging across the world. I quickly called persons up in different countries that I know about, because I want to have a presence in all of these countries when this thing goes viral. That's the way you got to look at this opportunity. This opportunity is a no-brainer. So all I'm going to say is call everybody that you know, tell them that you found a way to accumulate Town Coin, and they need to get on board. And it's as simple as that. Back to you, Coach O.
Awesome, awesome. Yes, you just said it all. Then you need to accumulate as much tone as possible. I would rather not just keep buying out of pocket when I can create it by sharing this opportunity. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop the recording because we want to allow for if anyone has some questions, right? So at this point, if you do have any